Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Foundation Galactic Frontier app error. A new version is available. Your current version is outdated. Please update it from the App Store or Play Store and then log in again. And you will see the download button. So when you launch the Foundation Galactic Frontier app on your Android device, just wait, I am launching the app. Now it is showing the new version is available. So if you are getting this error on your Android device, then here are some of the fixes that you can try. First of all, check for the app update on the Play Store. So open Play Store, tap on search for Foundation Galactic Frontier app and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. But if you don't see update option over here in the Play Store or App Store, then the possible reason could be due to a slight delay in the regional rollout or a local cache issue. So if the update is not available in Play Store or App Store, then you have to just wait for a few more hours until the update rollout to your regional country. Next phase is to clear the Google Play Store cache and data. So tap and hold the Play Store app icon, then select app info and then tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache, and then you can check. If that doesn't work, then you can also tap on clear data, but please take a note that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings on this device permanently. So if you agree, then tap on delete and then you can go ahead, launch the Play Store and then search for the Foundation Galactic Frontier app, and if you find any updates available, then update it and then you can launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then simply just restart your device once, and after your device restart, then you can launch the game and check. And if still your problem is not solved, then it could be possible that the Foundation Galactic Frontier app is having server maintenance, or their server is down or having outage or under maintenance. So wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Foundation Galactic Frontier app error. A new version is available. Your current version is outdated problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.